Square butt on that.
Just know, don't try to get comfortable because it's not. That's a real. Yes, those are real.
I can
That's a real deal.
I can punch.
Come on.
It's okay. You want to get.
You're not gonna die.
Alright, grab hands for him.
So this one's that fake blood on them in North Carolina.
Hey, you got to lay down long enough for us to put the other nails on top of you. You can go to real nails. Real nails. So it's just going to be okay. We'll have Saber do it if we need to.
We will?
There you go. Yes.
Okay, we're going to break them.
No, that's song.
Hey, as soon as this is over, grab the mic and have them pass the buckets around and do your part of it.
Right. I'm gonna
That
thank
should be the easy part. Okay.
I'm gonna thank the sheriffs.
Give me that phone book. Give me the phone book. Hey, how my knuckles are up under? Yeah, like that. There you go.
Give me a phone book.
Phone book?
Yeah. All right. You're in good hands. Sergeant Rock's protecting your face. I don't know about the rest of everybody, but we'll pray for you.
I can't talk. I'm out of hands.
Somebody take the mic.
All right, guys, we're gonna need y'all to clap and cheer as loud as you can.